Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for Glenn in Mississippi on this Magnum S-680. Don't let your eyes deceive you. For some reason, whenever shooting video with blue LEDs, you get this flickering. It's not actually flickering. But let's get right to it. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. Just about 1.5 watts there all the way down. Over here, the 100-watt slug. Right about 18 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 35 bird. So let's talk back down. Peak power. Hello. 100 peak. Alright Glenn, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.